Stop putting rose in things and start putting cake in things. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. So you guys, it's currently, you know, like February 2nd and we're still opening up advent calendars. No, it's not. It's February 3rd. Still, to this very day, advent calendars are sitting here. We're doing videos about them and I'm unboxing them. You guys are watching it and there's still more over there. I will have to say they are finally dwindling. There are fewer and fewer every single day. So that's something. That is something. Oh my goodness, there are so many seeds in my teeth. I just got myself a NutriBullet, like as in like today. It came today and I've already had 2 smoothies. I was like, there's no way it's that different than a blender because it's just basically a small blender, but somehow it's different. But today we're getting into an advent calendar that I just, for some reason, I don't have high hopes for. Not to say anything against the JCPenney, but like I don't know how great this JCPenney 12-day beauty advent calendar is gonna be. It just threw itself off the table. Well, okay, it was on clearance for a little while for $19.99. Apparently it was originally $35, but they say there's a $160 value to this calendar. Why does that seem suspicious? I'm a little suspect of that. There's only 2 reviews on the website, but they're both 5 stars. So like, do we have like an unexpected underdog here? I'm sure I paid $35 for it because I ordered all these calendars months and months and months ago. I'm sure the clearance happened, you know, sometime probably after the Christmas season. Ooh, okay, so in this 12 Days of Beauty advent calendar, it says, it doesn't say that. There are 15 must-have beauty products to help you shimmer and glow during the holidays. 12 days of surprises featuring a final trio. Ooh. Let's go ahead and start here with day number 1. I'm excited to see what that trio at the end is. Okay, so I feel like I have actually seen and maybe even used this before. We have something here from Big Sexy Hair. This is a volumizing hairspray, and like I always say, I could definitely use. The corner has betrayed me again. Ouch. As I was saying, I always say that I could use some and would love to have some volume to my hair. So yeah, I'll definitely use this. I don't know why I'm shaking it up. I feel like that's not what you do to hairspray. I really do feel like at some point in my life I have used this hairspray. It feels already like it's holding really well. So day number 1, hairspray, very usable. Oh, day number 2 is in kind of like a large square door. Ow! Why so much injury? All right, time to break out the tools. Eyelash rake. Oh, there's 2 things in here as well. First thing we have in here is from Vintage Cosmetic Company. This is a satin pillowcase and a very fun and feisty. Feisty is the only adjective I can think of. Fun and feisty animal print. This only comes with 1 suitcase, unfortunately. We've talked about this in another advent calendar. I think it was the FabFitFun advent calendar, that it would be kind of nice, especially for one that's like leopard print, to get 2 pillowcases because standardly there's like 2 pillows on the bed that you want to like match. Now this satin pillowcase is 100% polyester, so it's not like, you know, like is satin always polyester? It's not a silk pillowcase, is what I'm trying to say. So this isn't made out of silk or anything, it's polyester. These types of pillowcases are supposed to be good for your hair, like helping it like not get all like tangly and break off. It's also supposed to be good for like your skin and preventing wrinkles somehow. It says prevents bedhead and pillow creases. So that's what it does, bedhead and pillow creases. Oh, these are really popular this year. So the next thing we have in here is a Calm, the World's Kindest Steam Mask, and this is another like warming eye mask. This is probably my 3rd one out of the advent calendars that we've done. Oh, I guess they're popular last year because, you know, we've got to do a new year. I have yet to try one of these things. Maybe tonight. Tonight would be nice. I am getting a bit of a headache and I have so much to do. However, even though I have like 1,000 million billion things to do, I decided it'd be a good time to paint the wall around my fireplace. I'm having a birthday party at the house this weekend for some of my friends, so of course I gotta paint the wall around the fireplace in preparation. As you do, you know, grocery shopping, laundry, paint the wall around the fireplace, yes. Alrighty, day number 3 is up next here. Let's see what we have. Alright, so it looks like we have a little mascara here. Not 100% sure what brand it's from just yet. Mineral Fusion, maybe? If that's the brand, I've never heard of it. I'm assuming it is Mineral Fusion because it says it like all over the box and the tube, I'm guessing. But this is a volumizing mascara. Oh, it's a very skinny little tube. That is quite thin. I'm gonna assume that the wand itself is also fairly thin. Oh, it's so little. Look at that. I haven't seen a wand that small like ever. Why is that so small? It practically looks like it's for your eyebrows. It doesn't smell like Flonase. That's unusual. What a strange mascara. All the qualities and stuff seem really nice about it. It says to give you volume. It's also hypoallergenic, made with no harsh ingredients. It's cruelty-free. It's fragrance-free. It's gluten-free and paraben-free as well. It's also EWG verified. What that means. But you know, I'm sure that's good. So yeah, a little black mascara, fairly standard advent calendar fare there. All right, day number 4 is up next here. A little square door. Ah! Got stabbed with the eyelash rake. What is happening? That's too dangerous. Okay, let's avoid dangerous items. It shouldn't have to be a workout. I shouldn't have to try that hard to get this little cream out of its little hole. Next item we have in here is from Andalou Naturals. This is a rejuvenating cream. Another brand I have never heard of. Where's the front? Get to the front. Andalou rejuvenating cream. This is an age-defying cream. I do have the purple of the jar. I think that's nice. Oh, okay. So this is a plant-based retinol alternative. So I'm gonna assume it's that bakuchiol stuff, unless maybe they came up with something different besides that. I have scratched the dickens out of this jar trying to get it out of this advent calendar. But yeah, we just have a little pot of anti-aging cream. I think we get probably like an ounce in here. Yep, this is a 1 fluid ounce jar. And number 5 is up next here. It's looking very suspiciously like some type of squeezy tube lip product. No, not at all. Why did they shape it that way? It looked exactly like a squeeze tube lip product. Did both of these come out of the same door? Because like I only saw this one when I initially opened up number 5, but then it fell over and then this thing was just laying there. They're from the same brand, so I'm just gonna assume they both are in day number 5, but I truly did not see this little guy at all when I opened this up. Mysterious. Okay, so next up here, these are really cute. We have something from Relevant, a very cute like orange and yellow little squeezy nub bottle. This is their Sunburst C+ Superfood Serum. And then we also have another itty bitty tiny little thing from Relevant, and this is just a little squeezy tube of cream, I'm assuming. I forgot to read it. Beam and Glow, what does that mean? Eye serum, okay. So for my approximation, my guesstimation, I would say there's round about 3.5 little like drops of cream inside of this little squeezy tube here. Oh good, I just learned I can only smell it of one side of my nose. This has an incredibly light scent to it. There's barely any scent whatsoever. So yeah, just a vitamin C serum and a little eye cream. And number 6 is up next here. Okie dokie, the next thing we have here is a Switch to Purr Good Plus Glow CBD body oil. This has turmeric, squalene, and avocado in it. That all sounds very, you know, like food. Is squalene food? That's something you can eat. I'm assuming this has to be shaken up. I don't know if you guys will be able to see there, but there's some like goopy stuff there on the bottom. Oh, is that like shimmer or glitter? Oh, it is. Okay, so this is like a shimmery, glowy body oil. Yeah, it's a little bit yellowy, I'm assuming from the turmeric. That little gloopy stuff doesn't mix up very well. Slick. Oh, that actually smells wonderful. Oh, that smells so good. That smells really sweet, kind of like a candy scent. It feels really good on the skin, and you're not getting like too much true glitter. You know, you're not like culling out into the sun or anything. It smells so good. What is that? I'm gonna use this because it smells so good. That smells delicious. Day at number 7 is down in this little corner over here. That did nothing. That did absolutely nothing. Oh no, my fingers are so oily. Oh, okay, so another brand that I've never heard of. This is the Visha Rejuvenating Moisturizer. Just a very small pot of it. Absolutely 0% information about like what it does, the ingredients, anything. It just says put it on your face and neck. So yeah, just a very small little pot of cream. Oh, it smells like paint. Oh, I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Why does that smell exactly like paint? Just like the smell of a freshly painted room, I think smells really good. Alrighty, day at number 8 is up next here. Let's see if we can dig on into this. This one is also shaped like some type of lip gloss tube. So I'm assuming it's gonna be anything besides a lip gloss. It is not a lip gloss, but it is a little squeezy tube. So the next thing we have here is from Lavido. This is an Ultra Daily Facial Moisturizer Cream, and there's a whole lot of words on the front. So let me see if I can get you guys any more information. It is to balance, soothe, and hydrate. That sounds very nice. And it has evening primrose seed, candulia, and frankincense in it. Ooh, fancy. Oh, that's very strong. That's quite strong. That is quite scented. If you're not really into fragrances on your face, I don't think I would use this because that is incredibly strong. It has kind of like a florally scent, but there's also a very strong herbally scent as well. So yeah, this, I mean, it smells really nice, but if you don't like fragrance, I don't know about this. Moving right along here to day number 9. Oh, what is that? It's so little. Is that supposed to be like a little gem gummy bear? Look at that. That's so cute. This is from Taos. Again, never heard of that. I do think it is precious though. That little like kind of gem looking gummy bear is very, very cute. Okay, so I can't get the lid off. So I'm assuming you have to like pop the top of it off, but I can't seem to get the leverage with my little greasy fingers because I'm covered in oil. Oh, okay, so that is a very pleasant scent. Very pleasant, not overpowering in like any direction. It's a little bit floral, it's a little bit sweet, it's a little bit powdery. It's not really deep, dark, rich, spicy in any way, shape, or form. Day number 10, an interesting shape. Ooh, this looks like it could be kind of fun. Whatever this is from Exa, and I don't know, the packaging of this looks really fun. I like that color and like the label on it. Ah, dang it, it's a primer. Dang nabbit. This is the Jumpstart Smoothing Primer. It just says shape well, and that's about all it says on the back. Dang nabbit. I was really hoping this would be like a cool like lip product or like maybe like highlight, but nah, it's just a primer, a little primer. Very cute color though. Okay, day at number 11 is over here, and it's pretty small, and I'm just gonna kind of just rip off like this. Oh dear, oh, it's winking at me. Can we stack? Whatever this is has very cute like little smiley face packaging. This is from I Do Care. It is Cake My Day. Ooh, that sounds fun. Hydrating Sprinkle Wash Off Mask. That seems a little bit different, a little bit fun. Oh, just another cute little smiley face with some sprinkles on the lid. It does have little sprinkles in it. Oh, it looks a little bit like frosting, a little bit like a nice fun funny cake. Oh, it looks extra sprinkly once you kind of move it around a little bit. I can't really tell if it smells like cake or not. I know this is a wash off mask, but I just need to know if it smells like cake. It does smell like cake. I feel like you don't see a ton of skincare products smelling like cake, and I feel like that's a missed opportunity. Stop putting rose in things and start putting cake in things. Getting a little worked up about that, but yes, it does actually smell like cake. It has that nice kind of vanilla frosty, like buttery, cakey scent to it, which I personally really like. It actually smells really good, and I think it's very cute. I like the concept of it, a little bit different, like I said, a little bit fun. So yeah, cute. Very small. It is very small. Most everything in here has been very, very small, but it's not a terribly priced advent calendar. $35 isn't that bad, especially if you can get it on sale. What is that? It's just glue. I thought I missed a product. But especially if you can get it on sale for $19, that's even better. I would now like to pull the glue off. Alrighty, day number 12 is already kind of flapped down here for us. Let's just go ahead and see what we got. There should be 3 products inside of here. Grabbing this out first. Ew, okay. Maybe this little guy did come out of this door. This is the same brand as the other 2 products from day number 5. This is from Relevant. It is the Lights Out Resting Mask. I do love resting. It's honestly one of my favorite things. I love resting. Okay, I like that. I like this little step that they added here because at first I read it and I was like, oh, you gotta wash it off after 20 minutes? Like, that's not restful to me. After I do my skincare and stuff for bedtime, it's bedtime. Like, I don't want to get back out of the bed. But it says that you put it on, leave it for 20 minutes, and then you massage the excess into your face. I can do that after 20 minutes, but I really don't want to like get back out of bed and like put more water on my face at nighttime. But like just rubbing it into my skin, I think I can handle that. Alrighty, and then next up we have next up we have the last thing. So remember when on day number 5 I knocked over the calendar and then like a surprise product came out and I was like, wow, I didn't even see that from before when I opened up the door. It's because I didn't, and that was supposed to be inside of day number 12. So that little itty bitty tiny thing was part of the trio for day number 12. And then finally the last thing inside the advent calendar is from Dr. Pawpaw. And I think this is one of their like all over balm things. You can rub it on your lips, your cheeks, your also cheeks. I don't know, they show cheeks twice on the back here. So this is the multi-purpose soothing balm using papaya fruit, supposed to be hydrating, nourishing, ultimate red tinted balm for lips and cheeks. I like that there is a red tint to it. I'm gonna go ahead and swap some on here. Oh my lordy, that's that's more of a red tint. Wow, it doesn't taste very great. I wish it tasted more like papaya. I don't even know what papaya tastes like, but I'm pretty sure it's not this. I really wish it tasted at least more fruity or had some different type of taste in there, but it is just very kind of balmy tasting, you know, like Vaseline-y. However, there is quite a lot of tint to it. Like, this is just a little bit very sheared out, and then I kind of wiped some off of my finger, so you are getting a good amount of tint inside of this like little lip balm thing, which I personally like that because I tend to wear just more of like a lip balm instead of like a lipstick. So I like for my balms to have a little bit of color to them. So yeah, you know, this isn't a bad product. I wish that I hadn't have spoiled day number 12, but did I really spoil it? Because it was just like the smallest, tiniest amount of eye cream ever. Oh, well, alright you guys, so that was everything. That was everything inside the JCPenney's 12-day beauty advent calendar. I'm not even quite 100% sure why I purchased this advent calendar to begin with. I think it was because I started buying advent calendars so early in the year that I convinced myself that there are no advent calendars. I'm not gonna be able to get my hands on any. So then I start buying all of them. Anyone that I can like physically see online and press purchase on, I purchase it. And that's why we are still doing advent calendars in February. I mean, for instance, here's just a little stack of the most random advent calendars ever. But yeah, so I still have a ton of like random advent calendars to go. Let me know if you guys still want to see those advent calendars because they are gonna get extra random. Anyway, for this calendar, I mean, I think it's fine. I think $160 value is a bit of a stretch. I feel like a lot of these things are basically samples, but it was only $35, so that's not terrible. It's $10 cheaper than the Sephora advent calendar and better. Even though it's half the products, it's still somehow better. I personally, if I were you guys and you're interested in buying the JCPenney's advent calendar, I would wait till it goes goes on sale, because I'm sure that's a thing that happens probably every year. I don't know if it's worth $35 to be fully honest. That is just me and my perspective, because a lot of this is just random skincare that I probably am not gonna get a ton of use out of. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. So thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!